Hello again, welcome back to my English lessons with Abraham, and I remain your humble teacher. Let's get started. Today we're talking about jobs and occupations. Jobs and occupations. We want to talk about what people do. Jobs and occupation. Now, of course, the first question you ask people when you're talking about jobs and occupation is what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? From the previous lesson, remember we talked about countries and nationalities. So which means I can come to you and say, hello, my name is Abraham. I am from Nigeria. I am Nigerian. Where are you from? Then you talk about yourself. Now, you want to ask the next question. And that's where we come in. What do you do? And we have a lot of occupations. We have a lot of occupations in English. For example, I can say, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He is a soldier. He is a soldier. She is a journalist. She is a journalist. He is a police officer. Police officer. He is an accountant. He is an accountant. She is a nurse. Nurse. She is a nurse. He is an engineer. He is an engineer. She is an artist. She is an artist. He is a chef. Chef. He is a chef. You are a. What's your job? What's your occupation? You are a. Write in the comment section. What do you do? What do you do? Hello, I am a teacher. What do you do? I want you to write it in the comment section.